Hey, welcome to the video. When you want to build a website using WordPress.org or another website builder, there are two things that you always need. Number one is a domain name and number two is a web host. A domain name is just the URL name of your website that people use to go to your website. So for example, google.com. A web hosting service provides the technologies and services that a website needs to be accessible on the internet. All the files of your website are stored on the server of the web host. So, for example, if the domain name is the address of your house, the web hosting is the actual house itself. It is possible to buy your domain name and web host either both from a separate company or from the same company. It is recommended to do this at the same company since it's way more convenient. When it comes to a domain name, it doesn't really matter which company you buy it from. However, when it comes to a web host, it is very important to use a good web hosting service. A web host manages a lot of aspects from your website, such as speed and security. So, in order to build a good functioning website, you need to have a good web host service. That's why we decided to compare all the big web hosting services and describe the absolute best one in our experience in this video. This number one best web hosting service is called Bluehost. Bluehost is officially recommended by WordPress itself. Bluehost has an automated setup for WordPress and is very easy to use. They also have a 24/7 customer support by live chat and phone with a great reputation. They can, for example, help you with installing things or the other questions. Bluehost has the best uptime of all web hosts with 99.9%. They're also one of the fastest web hosts, and speed is a very important factor for user experience and search engine optimizing. And next to that, Bluehost has great security features. Their basic web hosting plan comes with a free domain name, a matching email address, free SSL certificate, unlimited bandwidth, and 50 gigabytes of storage. All these things make Bluehost the perfect web host to start your new website, especially if you want to use WordPress. Besides their basic plan for beginners, they also offer great plans for very big businesses. Despite offering such amazing services, the prices of Bluehost are actually really affordable as well. Their basic plan only costs a few dollars a month. They even offer a 30-day money-back guarantee, so everyone can try this web host for free. I will leave a link to Bluehost's plans in the description below, so you can check their plans and sign up there if you're interested. I hope this video provided the information you needed. If not, don't hesitate to leave a comment below so we can help you. Also, please don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more daily knowledge coming soon. Thanks for watching.